Hello guys, this is WW Kids, and shout out to MasterLock 10. We are doing the MasterLock Challenge, and so, we kind of don't know how to do a MasterLock, so we'll try, okay? So, hope you see you. Okay, this is our way of doing the MasterLock. If you do another way or the correct way, calm it down. Come on. Okay. No. Stand up. I think this is how you do it. I don't know. So, the sleeper lock. Something. And we're not going to do this for 5 minutes because we don't have enough storage for that. Only one. Ugh. Do 1 minute. So it's been 44 seconds. No, it's been 20 seconds. It's been 30 seconds. This hurts. Just reset it like everything. Now it's been 40 seconds. I don't know how it hurt. 50 seconds. Please let you go. 1 minute. Okay. Now we're doing it to him. Okay. Let's go like this. Go. 10 seconds. Oh. Tiring. 50 seconds. 8, 9, go. Okay, so we're just demonstrating how you do it if you don't know. It's our way.